MLB Prize Picks for Thursday, June 13th. I'm Sniper from DFS Army. Hit the like button. We did take a did not play yesterday in those two picks, so it's a push day, but we'll take it. We'll move on to today. Two more picks lined up for you. Hit the like button. Let's go to work. All right, this is the DFS Army Prop Optimizer. It compares prize pick lines, sportsbook odds, and our projection model to help you find plus EV plays. And as you can see, it's updated in real time. A bit of a tough board today. There's not a ton I liked. Odds value don't even have any green plays up here. Projections weren't really lining up. It was a really tough play. But play number one, it's going to be Ronaldo Lopez. More than 4 strikeouts. We're projecting him at 4.77. That's a big difference versus the 4 line here. You get a push on 4, obviously a win on 5. Odds value, the under 4.5. Obviously, there's juice to it. That's why it got bumped down to 4. But the projection model loves it. And if you extend this out, really, Ronaldo Lopez, since the middle of April, only would have missed this mark one time, and that was against Pittsburgh. It's 6 wins, 1 loss, 2 pushes in his last 9 starts. So really good form and odds. Baltimore's a middle-of-the-road strikeout team, and the projection model is way over. With this type of board, with all these orange plays, stuff not really lining up, I didn't like a lot of the other strikeout props available. We are going to make Ronaldo Lopez play number 1 for the day. Let's head on over to Prize Picks so we can lock that in. More than 4 pitching strikeouts is play number 1. Head on back on over to the Prop Optimizer. Actually, before we do that, if you didn't already, hit the like button. If you want access to this tool, actually, I should probably show the tool again, since this is going to get updated live throughout the day. It's the Prop Optimizer. Access to it, link down below, Sniper20 for 20% off. But absolutely rolling along in profits. You can get free access by depositing on Prize Picks, Underdog, or Sleeper. Check out the link below, code Sniper there. $100 deposit match up to $500 on Sleeper. What do we do for play number 2 for this morning? Obviously, there'll be more plays for the day here, but I really don't have anything available. What you could also do, VIP members, DFS Army forever has been towards the top of the, one of the premier providers of data and tools for DraftKings and FanDuel. The DraftKings scoring system is very similar to that of FanDuel. And what you're looking at here, this is the DraftKings. We call it domination station, if you're not familiar. It's where we build our DFS lineup. So you can use these projections here and compare them against Prize Picks for when you do need a play. Honestly, I just need one today to make a pair. The top 2 plays on the board are Shohei Ohtani and Freddie Freeman at 9.37 and 9.18 fantasy points. Head on over to Prize Picks. I looked this up before, quite honestly. We can actually do it again. Ohtani was at we got 8.5 on the hitter fantasy score for him. So it was a difference of 0.6 points. But Freddie Freeman, 8. We are projecting him over 1 fantasy point more than the line here. His last 5, 2 wins, 1 push, 2 losses. So 2, 2, and 1. The last time out, one of the misses was 7 against Texas. It's not like he's not getting on base, not driving in runs. So we're projecting a nice little difference here for Freddie Freeman. Last thing we can look at that I have teed up, this is the BVP matchup. Very small sample size, people are going to ask, against Michael Lorenzen. But 1 for 4 with a single. So not a huge sample size in terms of BVP. But the Dodgers are minus 213 to win this game. They are big favorites. Implied run total, also at the top of this tool, 5.02. So we're projecting the Dodgers to score over 5 runs. You got Freeman. That's not we. That is the Vegas odds. Vegas is saying they're going to score over 5 runs. You got Freeman at a good price right in the middle. It's enough for me to pair up with Ronaldo Lopez here. So we got 1 early play. Lopez plays at 1 o'clock. The Freeman play tonight at 10 o'clock. So we'll go ahead And these are the two plays we got for today. If you did not already, hit that like button. The recap is Ronaldo Lopez, more than 4 strikeouts. Freddie Freeman, more than 8 on the hitter fantasy score. We'll lock that in. Prize Picks will think. It'll lock it in. That's what we got. Links down below. Check all that stuff out if you did not already. But for now, here's your daily reminder that whether or not you are a DFS Army member, you probably should be. Lots of ways to get plays, lots of tools. Good luck in those contests. I'll see you next time.